Tony B live and direct. I got a stuffed up nose. Oh my god. I'm actually coming down with a little something.
Honey has a hurt leg.
I'm gonna show you a whole nother side of Australia.
Honey.
I'm experiencing every part of Australia you can think of.
Sit.
Now I'm on my homegirl Jen's land. She has 10 acres of the most beautiful land you'll ever see in Australia. Check it out.
There's tons more down that way. Who wants the ball? Who wants the ball? Wow! Stop it!
Almost like a farm in Australia. These are the kids. What's up?
What's up?
What's up? She has the most spectacular view you ever would want to see. I don't know if I can see it from here. She's got horses. She's got cows. Real live cows.
Well, they're not hers. They're not hers.
Whose are they?
The one on the top of the hills.
Oh, over there?
That's the owner. That's the next door neighbor.
Really?
Yeah.
That's your neighbor way over there?
Yep.
That's a far neighbor.
I know. She only goes there on weekends usually. And she put the cow around us. See? No, that's the person who owns this part of the land.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna run a bath for you guys, okay?
See, those are the cows.
I know.
They're the cows.
Wow, look.
Probably some cows around here somewhere.
Real cows. I've been told that kangaroos are dangerous. They're as big as I am, they're strong, and they can stand on their back legs and push their hands through your chest and totally kill you. I need to watch out for the big kangaroos. I need to watch out for the fucking manure too. Ugh. The nasty cow manure everywhere, so I'm not. I was trying to get to show you the view when all this manure's in the way. But I'll show it to you eventually. Hold on, I'm not stepping in none of this. Hold up. Yeah, but I'm a little. My nose is stopped up. Man, I've been stressing a little bit, grinding so hard. But, we gonna get back. You know me. Give me some garlic, some echinacea golden seal, lots of water, lemon, I'll be good.
That's our treehouse.
What?
That's our treehouse there.
That's your tree house? You have a tree house? Show me.
Yeah. But you won't be able to climb up.
You can't?
Anyone can climb up.
Let me see. Other side of Australia, y'all. I'm trying not to step in the manure. Hold on. All right. Here we go. So this is your tree house? Wow.
Can you catch this gun?
Yeah.
Can you catch it?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, never mind. And here's our quiet area where no wind can get us in here.
Really?
Yeah, no wind can get us. We pretend we have televisions up here. Yeah, this is a Love Park television for Love Park. It's another television and this one's
I like the view. Wow.
You should see it from over here. 100 acres of land.
100 acres of land y'all are on?
Yep.
How does it feel?
Awesome. And we also got a creek.
Really? You got your own creek?
Down there. Down far.
Really?
If you follow the cow tracks down far enough and you go into a bit where there's a big shady tree and two gates, you just go straight forward into the bush and then you find this beautiful creek.
Wow.
There are little miniature waterfalls that join it all together.
Really?
I couldn't show you it right now because it would take hours because, well, usually takes half an hour to get there and back by feet.
Wow.
By car, it's Oh, me. Takes 20 minutes to get there. You drove half.
Wow.
Yeah, and then you have to walk the rest.
Y'all are cool kids. I love y'all.
Yeah. And guess what? You don't think Ink is that cool because she eats cow fat? Yeah, but only the calf pat because it's got lots of milks and vitamins. You want the ball? Inka, you want the ball? I can fit the ball. Corbin, she's not that stupid. Yeah, she can't see you. Inka.
Tony B, live and direct. I'll get back with y'all when I'm fully up. I'm just now waking up, trying to get my nose right. Trying to stay away from the big old cow manure, so, you know. But this is the other side of my adventure. One of the other sides of my adventure in Australia. I'll get back with y'all. Peace.